Sensitive individuals often fret over unknowingly having bad breath. Because being told about it, no matter how kindly they do it, it can feel like a social death. It's mortifying. You might want to curl up and disappear. So, here's the question. Why can't we smell our own breath, and how can we tell if we have bad breath? We can't detect our own breath. It's because our mouth and nose are linked. When we constantly detect a smell from our mouth, the receptors for that smell become desensitized due to a series of rapid reactions. For a bit, your nose only picks up new smells. Scientists call this olfactory fatigue. The body gets used to constant smells, to avoid overwhelming the nervous system, and to stay alert to new stimuli. For instance, while hunting, detecting food scents is easier. This evolutionary trait means we can't easily smell our own bad breath. There are two kinds of bad breath. The first is physiological, caused by foods like onions, garlic, and certain dumplings, leading to temporary bad breath. The second is pathological bad breath, caused by dental issues or oral inflammations. Even if your teeth, gums, and mouth are in good shape and you haven't eaten pungent foods, can you be sure you don't have bad breath? Not really. Since tartar, plaque, and food residues on your tongue can cause bad breath, how can you check if you have it? Stick out your wrist and use the middle or back part of your tongue, not the tip, to lick it. Wait a few seconds for the saliva to dry, then sniff your wrist to see if there's any odd mouth odor. You can also floss after brushing and sniff the floss to check for bad breath. The easiest way is to ask a close friend who can give you honest feedback. If it's pathological bad breath, definitely see a doctor. But if it's from diet or poor hygiene, rinse after meals and use a toothbrush, floss, and water flosser to fix it. Do you think you have bad breath? Why not lick your wrist and find out?